Here in this code sample we can find an invocation of the setTimeout function. setTimeout receives a function we want to be invoked when the time we specify elapses. Well, in this code sample we want this specific anonymous function to be invoked when 500 milliseconds pass. The output, however, isn't as expected. Let's take a look. As you can see, the output doesn't show that the invocation took place within 500 milliseconds as expected. Something else happened. Let's see what happens here. Over here we can find a loop. This loop is executed for something around 3000 milliseconds. The single thread, the one and only thread we have in JavaScript, is occupied in this line. Only once the 3000 milliseconds pass, that single thread moves forward to the next task. There is a queue of tasks that thread needs to complete. One of them is invoking this anonymous function. So, because of this loop, the thread reached the task of executing this function only once these 3000 milliseconds pass, meaning that this function won't be invoked within 500 milliseconds as we asked.